Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. I'm Mohammed from Moslehi School channel. In this video, I want to show you how you can install or add a printer on your Windows computers. First of all, you should download the printer driver from its official website. I have already downloaded the latest printer drive that I want. Now, let's go and install the printer drive on the Windows. Click on the Start menu and select Settings. In the Settings window, click on Bluetooth and Devices. The Printers and Scanner section, click on Add Device. Windows will start searching for available printers. If your printer is found, it will appear in the list. If your printer is not listed, make sure it's turned on and properly connected to your computer or network. You might need to refresh the list. Windows will automatically install the necessary drivers for most printers. If it doesn't, you might be prompted to download the drivers from the printer manufacturer's website. Click on the printer that I want isn't listed. Select Add a local printer or network printer with manual settings and click Next. For a local printer, you can typically use the default port that I keep in. Choose your printer manufacturer and model from the list. If your printer isn't listed, you may need to download a driver from the manufacturer's website. Click Have Disk if you have the driver on a disk or have downloaded it to your computer. Then browse to the driver's location and select it. Enter a name for your printer or use the default name provided. Then click Next. Decide if you want to share the printer with other devices on your network. Select Do Not Share this printer if you don't want to share it. Then click Next. After the printer is added, you can choose to print a test page to make sure everything is working correctly. It's done! Thanks for watching! See you soon!